to the 20-acre hayfield. I got my thing to hold the camera, so this should make it easier. Let's see how it works. See how it shakes. Still bounces around a little bit, but better than holding it with my hand. This is where I drive to go to the hayfield. And when we move bales, we'll have to move it on this road too, and then go farther down behind me, past where I came from. It's pretty cool. I gotta learn how to talk while I'm driving. I'm not used to that, talking to myself while I'm driving. Okay. Well, here's a neighbor. Neighbor's got his shed out. I guess he's out fishing. Yeah. They don't have a house here yet, but they built a shed, and then they store their camper there. Coming across the creek. This is the creek that flows behind my 5 acres where my house is. Goes off to the right. The creek goes off to the right toward my house, or at least to my bottom land. And this is bottom land too. The name of the creek is Sugar Creek. Oh wait. No, you're not. No, that's not. That's Baku Creek. Never mind. That's Baku Creek. Or maybe that's not Baku Creek. Let me think. Let's see. Where's this creek come from? That's going over there. No, this is not Sugar Creek. I'm not sure of the name of that creek. I don't even know if it has a name, but it probably does. I just don't know it. But Sugar Creek would be farther south, and Baku Creek is farther north. So this one's in the middle somewhere. This is pretty nice, having a thing to hold the camera while I'm driving. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. I guess I'll go all the way to the farm. It's only a quarter mile past the hayfield. But actually the hayfield is the beginning of the farm on the right side. And then the farm is across the. When I get to the T road, the farmland is across the road. And also to the right, on both sides of the road. Looks like the neighbors, the renter, he's out there working the field down. Probably going to be planting corn soon. Okay, but you can see I'm coming to the right, past those white wrap bales. That's where the hayfield starts. It's full of mustard seed. Full of mustard right now, so it's easy to spot. That's the hayfield to the right. My sister's house is up here to the right. I'll just drive around the farm a little bit. least go past it and turn around and come back. I'll turn around at my brother's driveway. But there's the farm on the right. Sheen shed, and then this was a hog shed. It's I don't know what's in there now. I think my brother had some chickens in there once. Oh yeah, he's got his big machine out. There's a car coming, so I'll go ahead and wait. I'm not sure where he's going. There was supposed to be a stop sign here, but when my brother built his house here on the corner, he took it down. He never put it back. Okay, this is the farm right on the left and the right. This is the farm on the left and the right. Who's that? Yeah, this is the farm on the right, the farmhouse, and that's the old farmhouse was on the left, on the other, just past this pond. And this guy, I don't know who this is, but anyway, the other house here that's being built, that's my little sister's oldest daughter, my niece. They're still building it. Oh, there's my brother. He's out doing something. What is he? Oh, he's got he's got both tractors running. He's hauling manure. He's got it all piled up. He's hauling manure somewhere. He's gonna run over his dog. Okay, I'm gonna turn around at my brother's driveway. My brother has a double wide behind those trees. And then there he's hauling his manure here. Oh, yeah, he's hauling manure. He's got two tractors. I only got one little bitty one with no loader. What is that? Why are they parked there? Anyway, that's my lot of traffic today. The old farmhouse was always just to the right here. The old farmhouse. Oh, they must be waiting for somebody. This is a busy road today. My gosh. What are they waiting for? Anyway, that's the I'll drive to the end of the farm land, and then that's my neighbor. That's the neighbor who lives down just behind us, south, past where my brother lived. He lives way down there, and he rents most of the farmland, except for the 20 acres that I rent. And he's working the ground now for corn. This is my aunt's house, my mother's sister. She's still alive. She lives there. And this is a little subdivision coming up. They're all related somehow. They sort of subdivided their family farm, and now they each have a piece. But our farm is on the right side, the one that's being tilled. I guess it's all being tilled nowadays. This is the time of year when they plant corn. Okay, so in the end of our farmland on the right side is comes up right here by this mailbox, which belongs to the people on the left side of the road. But the end of the farm is right here. That's all.